Hello. So today I'm going to show you one of the things that I built recently. So in India, it's end of financial year, and we had a lot of, we usually submit bills and invoices for reimbursements. Now, I had a lot of bills this time, and I had not uploaded them throughout the year, and I had like 80 plus bills. And the way things are done here is uh, I need to go through every bill. I need to figure out the invoice number, uh, the invoice date, and the total amount. And I need to upload it into my expense management platform. I know a lot of newer expense management tools already do this, but the one that we use doesn't. And therefore, I thought we'll build an automation for this. That would be really cool. So MarkovML is one of the uh, agentic AI platforms that help you build such automation, and it's very, you know, we've made the interface very easy. So let's see, what did I do, right? So I went to automations and I clicked on build an automation. Then there are a bunch of templates, but I knew what I want to build, so I just use a blank canvas. As soon as I use a blank canvas, my canvas opens up. And here, the first thing I need to do is I need to upload all of my Swiggy bills. That is where I usually order from. There are some Zomato bills, but to do that, so I'll take a folder operator. So there are a bunch of inputs here, out of which I need a folder operator. So there's add a folder. So I'll just drag and drop here. I'll configure this. So I'll upload my folder, choose a folder. Okay, so there are 84 files. Click on upload. And now it's going to upload all of my bills onto the platform. So let this happen. So what it does is it uploads the bill in batches. So this is the first batch. Okay, first batch is uploaded. Second batch is getting uploaded now. So there you go. So meanwhile, all this upload happens on the background. I let the upload happen. What I'll do is now I need to analyze these documents. So what Markov has lots of operations over here. One of the operations is a document. Yeah, so there you go, a document analyzer. So I'll just take this up. This is part of multimedia and document operations. And I will connect. Let me minimize this. I will connect this to this, right? And let's go configure that. So uh, if I look at one of the previews of the bill, so usually it has an invoice number, a date of invoice, and the invoice total is somewhere around here, and that's it, right? So these are the three information usually my expense management tool needs. So what I'll do is I'll say, hey, meanwhile the folder upload is complete. So I'll say extract invoice number, invoice date, and the total amount from the given file. So this is what I need. So I'll pick one of the OCR models. There are three that are available, so I'll just pick Gemini, the default one. I've seen it usually performs best, but you can go experiment. So once I do this, in the output, I can see that once this run happens, it's going to give me an invoice number, an invoice date, and the total amount. So I will close this, and the results of this I will save to a file. I can also save to Google Sheets, to be very honest. But let me just save it to a file for now. So let me just go and rename the file to Swiggy analysis. I'll create a CSV file. I'll close it. And that's it. So I think so now that the workflow is ready, to run this workflow, I just press on the run button and I can either do a sample run or a complete data set run. A sample run will run only on a few number of files, while a complete data set run will run it on the entire files of like all the files of those folder. And I'll click on run the flow, and that's it. That runs the flow. Now I'll have to wait a while the results come back. So let me grab coffee and then come back. All right. So uh, it seems the run is complete now. I've also renamed the workflow to make it recognizable. So if you look at the output, you will see that details have been extracted, invoice number, invoice date, and the total amount. If we look at the first one, let's look at the preview. So the number starts with 0247, date is 29/7, and amount is 370.76. So amount is 370.76, date is 29/7, and the invoice number starts from 0247. So that's all correct. So I can go download the results, and that's it. I can take the CSV file, upload it.